The MagTool N170 Plus Skimmer is an excellent choice for aquarium enthusiasts with space-limited installations, offering powerful filtration within a compact footprint. Its 660 gallons per hour DC sine wave pump, equipped with special needle wheel impellers, ensures optimal air and water mixing while maintaining a near-silent operation. The skimmer features an exclusive cell-cast diffuser and a cone structure that eliminates turbulent flow, creating a stable laminar flow within the reaction chamber. With a built-in air intake silencer and a hybrid cone design, the N170 Plus Skimmer operates quietly and efficiently, maximizing the reaction chamber size for improved performance. The advanced bubble chamber design decreases turbulence and enhances bubble transition, thereby boosting the overall skimmer efficiency. Supporting up to 185-gallon tanks, the MagTool N170 Plus is designed to cater to both heavy and light bioloads, making it a versatile addition to any reef tank.